There we go. We're on. Come on, little guy. Yeah. It's a dink. Dink and a bunch of grass. This is, hook this guy on. Another one of my go-tos. Little guy. Hook this guy on a Zoom bubblegum trick worm. I think it's like an 8-inch bag. Right there. Get these at Home Depot. Yeah, you buy them at Home Depot. You get it at Walmart. They got a really nice movement on it. A fatter head down on this side where it kind of body tapers in, so you get a lot of movement with this one. They seem to like it.